Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using two stamp sets. First, we'll be using Peaceful Reflection along with Itty Bitty Greetings, and this is the cute little card we're going to be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have a piece of Balmy Blue, and this measures 3 3/4 by 5, or 3 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have the Simple Stripe embossing folder. And make sure it's straight. And we'll run that through. Alright, so we have this. We'll put that aside. I'm going to bring in my paper piercer mat. And I have a piece of Whisper White. And this measures 3 1/4 by 3 3/4. I'm going to get my Balmy Blue. And from Peaceful Reflection, we're just going to be using this little water and these two images. And I have the first stamp mounted on clear block D. All right. Now I'm going to come in with my berry first. And I have this flower mounted on clear block C. So just like that. I'm going to bring in a scratch piece of paper. This one is mounted on clear block B. And I'm going to ink that up in the berry first. And then I'm going to stamp off. And I'm going to stamp right over that image, just like that. And then from the Itty Bitty Greetings, we are going to be using Praying for You. And I have that mounted on a clear block G, or Sending Prayers rather. Just like that. All right, and we will set that aside. Okay, so that is all the stamping that we are doing. We can start putting this card together. I have a piece of berry burst, and this measures 3 1/4 by 3 3/4. And we're going to get our stamped image, and I'm just going to put that down with some SNAIL adhesive. Trim this down a little bit. Didn't realize I didn't cut it right. All right, so just like that. And now I have a piece of berry burst, and this measures 4 by 5 1/4. And then we're going to get that Balmy Blue, and we're going to adhere that down. So just like that. Now we're going to adhere this to our card base. And our card base is Whisper White thick, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4.25. So just like that, and now we are going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, and just like that, here is a quick and simple card to let someone know that you're sending them prayers. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!